Alright folks, we got something new for Hermes Agent, the Curator. This is sort of like a background maintenance system for agent created skills in Hermes Agent. So you notice that mid-conversation, your agent would automatically create a skill on its own based on the task you give it, right? Thanks to their self-improvement loop, which is an amazing feature. But that's also a problem because over time, your agent will have created many skills, and that can really clutter the catalog, your skills folder, and it's all over the place. Sometimes these skills might even be near duplicate, so it needs cleaning up. And that's basically what the curator is designed to do by consolidating and pruning these agent created skills automatically, and that's the most helpful part, where it can be run once a week and you can configure this to once a day or how often you want it, and it keeps track of how often you use each skill as well, when it was last updated, when it was last created. This is very helpful for you as a user as well, because you might not know if a skill is being used. So say for example, if you have a project where you need 4 skills or 5 skills for that project to function, right? But over time, maybe only like 2 or 3 skills were being used for that project, and the other 2 were left out. So the curator is also a good way for you to keep track, to verify that these skills are in fact being used. So we got to try it out, the curator, for our agents, and we'll guide you through how to use this, because there are some problems along the way when I was trying out the curator, and I hope that maybe the Hermes team watches this video and gets them resolved ASAP. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to update your Hermes agent first. In terminal, go with Hermes update, and then once the update is done, you want to check if your curator feature is enabled by typing in Hermes Curator status. It's on the official document as well, up here, okay? And then once you see that it is enabled, you'll actually be able to see how many agent created skills you have. So Banner created 43 skills. This is Michael's agent. It also shows you the top 5 least recently used skills as well. Use never. I'd actually prefer it to have also top 5 most recently used. But once you see this interface, you can go ahead and run Hermes Curator run sync, or you can even go for your Hermes Curator run. So the difference between the two is the sync lets you watch the log as well, whereas the without the sync, this one just runs in the background by default. And if it works, you should be able to see Curator Pass Complete, Summary, and this is just the TLDR, but the report is written and generated in your logs directory. So this is the most important part. Every curator run writes a timestamp directory under your .hermes/logs/curator. The run.json file, which is machine readable, and the report.md, which is for you to read, for you to understand what is going on with your agent created skills. So I'll show you here, right? .hermes logs, then you go to curator here and just open report.md, and right here is the full report of the curator run. So it's showing us that it's archiving 27 skills, okay? And the skills that are archived are these skills right here. Okay. Okay, I think I might have to restore the skill, because I don't think it's supposed to archive this, because otherwise Michael would be angry. He's like, what's going on here? Which brings us to this point. It's very important to know that the curator never touches the bundled skills. It only reviews the agent created skills, but it never auto deletes. Okay, the worst outcome is those agent created skills would be archived, which is what happened just now, which is recoverable if you ever need them again. And right down here at LLM final summary, everything under here is the most important information that you need from the curator run. So it shows us that it processed the skills into clusters. It's able to categorize what which skills go to which group based on the umbrella that it's labeled. It shows us the skills that it patched and absorbed. So if there are near duplicate skills, it can absorb those near duplicate skills into one. There's even skill demotion, clusters deliberately left alone. So these are the ones that have already been installed natively in Hermes Agent when you get set up. So it doesn't touch those skills. The whole point of the curator is to touch only the agent created skill. So it also shows you how to recover the archive skill that you need. So there are multiple skills here that it archived that I didn't want it to archive. So I'm gonna have to run Hermes Curator Restore and then a name, and it should bring back the skill, which we can invoke whenever we need those skills. Now, let's also talk about what to do if you don't see a successful outcome such as this. So for me, my personal agent, Loki, when I tried the curator run, I ran it twice, but nothing showed. There was no report, and it took a very long time. It was like running for about an hour, but nothing happened. So at that point, what I did was I took this documentation and I fed it to my Hermes agent, pointed it to the curator doc, and asked if everything was set up correctly. So because everyone's Hermes agent is different, some people might have different config settings, some people might have different insides or whatever. If you come across that point, I think it's the smart fix here is to just feed your Hermes agent, tell them what's going on. Is everything set up correctly? So it Loki checked the state. Yeah, it did. The curator status was enabled. The runs were successful, right? It identified that Loki created 22 skills, but what was missing is the curator block in the config file. So in the official documentation, right here, you should be able to see a curator block in your Hermes Agent config file. So it was missing. It was not there. And therefore, it was unable to create the curator folder in the .hermes logs directory, which is where the reports should be. Right, so when I came here, this curator folder was not there. Right, so the next step that Loki had to do was to first and foremost fix the config first. So if you don't have these two, then you need to get this fixed ASAP. So Loki proceeded to add the missing curator block in the config file. And then of course the next step is to create that curator folder where the report should be in. But do not tell it to create the curator folder just yet, okay? Because otherwise it's gonna hallucinate and make up information. What I told Loki to do was to run the curator first, right? Run it first and tell me what's going on. What can you see that I cannot see? So it ran the run one more time again, and this took about 15 or 20 minutes. And it was able to find the root cause. And I think this is a bug. So if the Hermes team is watching, I hope they can address this issue. So the curator runs its LLM review phase in a daemon thread. The previous 5 runs hit an import error. So Loki ran it 3 times, hit an import error, no module named fire when trying to spawn the forked AI agent. The daemon thread died silently before writing reports. And it showed me the evidence in the state file. The LLM pass was never completed. So Loki was able to fix it, then run it one more time, created a folder, and then give us the report. So actually, I haven't seen this one yet. I'm curious to see what it looks like. Okay, so it seems like it doesn't look like the one Banner has. Maybe it's in the other one. So I think it didn't do a successful run. It should look like this, but mine still looks like this. So in any case, I think this isn't the end yet for me, because I think there are still a couple of issues that I need to fix before the pass actually runs. So we haven't done that yet, but we'll do an update. But all in all, the 2 most important parts that are missing for my configuration has been fixed, and I had to do it manually, so that's the annoying part. So if you come across this issue and you're able to find a full fix, let us know in the comments down below. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you find it helpful. Let us know anything interesting you see using the Hermes Curator. So smash out that like button, subscribe to the channel. My name is Ron. Shana now.